Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create and add portfolio to your Shopify store. So first of all, you want to go ahead to your online store and make sure you see the customize button. We want to create a page for our portfolio, so I'm just going to add a new page and write down maybe about us. If we don't have such a page, let's see. About us. So this is it. Now I'm going to go to navigation. And I'm going to add our contact form to our page. So I'm just going to add a menu item and I'm just going to search for it on pages. So let's add it and save it. Now again, go here and click customize. Now you will be able to customize your contact form here. So let's delete this collection and brand information. So we can leave it like so and edit it. Now I'm going to add a section to my template. So we want to add, for example, a multi-column. Let's do so. And you can write down, for example, three different things here. Now again, we can add a section, for example, a multi-row, and you can talk about your products here. And let's maybe add something else. We can add a contact form at the end. And also maybe let's add one more section. We can add an image banner. And let's talk about it. Let's write down. And let's edit it a little bit. So now when we edit it, as you can see, this is how it looks like. You can add your products in a rows and in a multi columns and basically write down something in the end and maybe even add a contact form for people to sign up to your email list. So yeah, guys, that's basically it. That's how you create a contact form from scratch. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.